Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a simple yet effective remedy that can help you stay healthy and avoid sickness. But before we dive into the details, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel to support Health Aware in raising health awareness. Sickness is the enemy of living your life to the fullest. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining good health is essential to seize every opportunity life offers. That's why I'm here to introduce you to a powerful remedy, a natural drink designed to help you combat sickness and strengthen your overall health. This concoction is packed with the natural goodness of ginger, oranges, lemons, and turmeric. These ingredients are renowned for their immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory properties. By incorporating this drink into your daily routine, you can fortify your body's defenses, making it more resilient against illnesses. Join me as we explore the incredible benefits of this homemade remedy and take a proactive step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's take charge of our well-being and live life to the fullest. Step number 1. Begin with 50 grams of ginger, which should be carefully peeled and then cut into manageable pieces. Ginger, a humble yet potent root, is not only a flavorful addition to various cuisines, but also boasts a rich history of medicinal use. It has long been employed for its remarkable health benefits. Ginger is known for its effectiveness in treating rheumatism, a condition characterized by painful inflammation in the joints. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in fortifying the body's immune system, aiding in the fight against viruses and infections. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, contribute to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Step number 2. Now, let's move on to our next ingredient, which is one ripe orange. Begin by extracting the juice from the orange. Oranges, not only a delightful citrus fruit, but also a nutritional powerhouse, have been cherished for centuries. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a crucial nutrient that plays a vital role in strengthening the immune system. This vitamin helps the body ward off illnesses and promotes overall health. Additionally, the presence of vitamin C in oranges contributes to the support and maintenance of bone health. It aids in the production of collagen, a protein essential for bone structure and flexibility. Step number 3. Moving forward to our next ingredient, we have one lemon, and we'll extract its fresh juice. Lemons, with their vibrant citrus flavor, are not just culinary delights, but also bring a wealth of health benefits. Lemons are abundant in vitamin C, much like oranges, making them an excellent source of this essential nutrient. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties, helping the body fend off infections and stay healthy. But that's not all. Lemons also offer antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties can be attributed to compounds like limonene and citric acid found in lemon juice. As you can see, this remedy is rich in vitamin C, and the presence of this essential nutrient is worth highlighting. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a crucial component of our diet with far-reaching health benefits, especially in fighting sickness. Vitamin C plays a pivotal role in supporting our immune system. It helps our body combat infections and illnesses by stimulating the production of white blood cells and antibodies. Additionally, vitamin C is an antioxidant, which means it helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, thus reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, a protein that keeps our skin, bones, and blood vessels healthy. It also aids in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, which is vital for maintaining proper energy levels. By including vitamin C-rich ingredients, like oranges and lemons, in our remedy, we're harnessing the power of this vital nutrient to strengthen our immune system, support skin health, and promote overall well-being. It's a simple, yet effective way to ensure you're getting this important vitamin in your daily routine. Step number 4. Now, let's introduce our fourth ingredient. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice, is renowned not only for its culinary contributions, but also for its impressive array of health benefits. Turmeric is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, primarily attributed to its active compound called curcumin. This natural powerhouse has been studied extensively for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, making it a valuable ally in combating a wide range of health issues, including joint pain and arthritis. In traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda, turmeric has been used for centuries to alleviate various ailments. Its potential to reduce oxidative stress and promote overall well-being is truly remarkable. But wait, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any questions about the ingredients we've used in this remedy or their health benefits? Maybe you have your own unique twist on this recipe that you'd like to share with the health-aware community. Feel free to leave your thoughts, questions, or any suggestions in the comment section below. Step number 5. Now let's bring everything together. You'll need 200 milliliters of water to complete our remedy. Water, often overlooked but essential for our overall health, plays a critical role in this recipe, not only improving the texture, but also increasing the hydration you'd get from it. Hydration is key to maintaining proper bodily functions. Water supports digestion, helps transport nutrients throughout the body, and aids in the elimination of waste products. It's the foundation of our well-being. In this step, we'll blend the water with our other ingredients, creating a harmonious mixture with the texture you desire that combines the beneficial properties of ginger, oranges, lemons, and turmeric. After blending, we'll strain the mixture to ensure a smooth and enjoyable texture. Hydration is often underestimated, but it's a fundamental part of maintaining good health. Stay with us as we complete our recipe, and you'll soon have a revitalizing and health-boosting drink ready to enjoy. This healthy drink is meant to be consumed in the morning, specifically 15 to 20 milliliters every day on an empty stomach. This timing maximizes its absorption and potential health benefits. By starting your day with this health-boosting drink, you're providing your body with a natural dose of essential nutrients from ginger, oranges, lemons, and turmeric. This combination is believed to help maintain overall body health by strengthening your immune system, reducing inflammation, and supporting bone health. Moreover, this remedy offers the convenience of long-lasting freshness. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ensuring that you have a daily supply of this health-enhancing elixir readily available. Incorporating this simple yet powerful drink into your morning routine can be a proactive step towards better health and well-being. Give it a try and experience the potential benefits for yourself. With this, we conclude the video. Check out our channel for more interesting videos for your health. Remember, our goal is to raise health awareness as much as possible, and you can help us do so by supporting us with your engagement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to those you love to help them live a healthy life. This is Health Aware, and we hope we have helped you today in becoming more health aware.